In this particular video, we're going to go over how numbers can equal a department or a procedure in a day-to-day operation. So in this particular case, 1 is research and development, and 2 is select materials, 3 is engineer propulsion, 4 is integrate gas levitation technology, 5 is develop control systems, 6 is modular components, 7 is test iterations, 8 is safety and regulation, which is OSHA, 9 is final assembly, and 10 is launch and develop and deploy. So, and then this is all done. So basically 1 equals 2. So that would be saying research and development equals select materials times engineering propulsion plus the launch and deployment out of selecting materials is not equal to final assembly. And that's how that works in terms of why we are in business and how working with mathematic firms of Memphis can lead to a math operator such as this one page math operator, not a symbol but a collection of symbols that equals one math operator, which is seen as this one page. Thank you again.